Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply weight based shipping over certain amount in WooCommerce cart in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see shipping, free shipping. Now you see subtotal and then you see total order weight 10 kg. So we are going to apply weight based shipping charges over certain amount. Like if we have subtotal 200 or 300, then we are going to apply weight based shipping. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write weight based shipping for WooCommerce. So this is plugin weight based shipping for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. Now go to cart page. Now you see free shipping. When our amount is above 200 or 300, then we are going to apply weight based shipping. Now back to WooCommerce setting and then you see shipping tab, so click on it. So we are in shipping tab and then you see shipping zone worldwide, so click on edit. Now you see shipping method free shipping we already have. So we are in shipping zone and then you see free shipping enable and then you see add shipping method, so click on it. So after activating and installing plugin, now you see weight based shipping option. So this is new option, so click on it. Now click on continue. Now you see edit and then click on edit. Now we are in weight based shipping. So first we are going to delete all and then now you see add first rule, so click on it. Now you see title, destination, product, weight, value, shipping. So you can add title. So we added title weight based shipping above 200. Now you see destination any. So we select all countries, product all. Now you see weight. Now you see from kg and then you see up to excluding kg. If we add 10 in this section, it's mean 10 is excluding for this rule. So you can customize rule according to your requirement. But we are going to enable weight based shipping over certain amount. So if you want you can add it, so it's up to you. Now you see value, now select and then you see from. So we are going to enable our certain amount 200. Now add 201 up to maximum. So you can create one rule, two rules, multiple rules according to your requirement. Now you see add rules. So you can add it and then you can create rule according to your requirement. Now you see from 201 up to excluding maximum. If you want you can add some amount and then you can create new rule. So it's up to you and then click on OK. Now edit and then you see shipping free. Now select and then you see multiple option flat, progressive, flat plus progressive. Flat rate mean you are going to charge static amount for everything. Now you see 9.50 for everything. And then you see progressive, flat plus progressive. Progressive mean you are going to charge $5 every 5 kg increase. So it's up to you. And then you see flat plus progressive. For first 5 or 10 kg you are going to charge static amount, and then after every 5 kg or 2 kg increase you are going to charge amount. Now select progressive. Now you see charge. So we are going to charge $10 every 10 kg. So you can set rule according to your requirement and then click on OK. If you want you can add note and then click on save. Now save done, go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you don't see any new rule we added because our subtotal is 30. So we are going to increase it and then click on update cart. Now you see cart updated and then you see subtotal 270. Now you see shipping, free shipping, weight based shipping above $210. Now you see total order weight 10 kg. But above 200 you see free shipping also. So we are going to hide it. So for this we are going to add custom code. So above 200 we are going to hide shipping method free shipping. Now go to dashboard and we are using WP code plugin. So you can install that plugin. On left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see check if the cart total is 201 or more. Then we are going to hide free shipping. Now you see cart total greater than or equal to 201. Now go to cart page. Now you see free shipping. Right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are going to find out this shipping method ID or value. Now you see free underscore shipping colon 58. So you can add your value in custom code. So we are going to use this value in custom code. Now close. Back to custom code. Now you see free underscore shipping colon 58 we added is set. So we are going to unset free shipping when our cart amount is greater than or equal to 2 or 1. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive no active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now go to WooCommerce setting. So we are in shipping zone. Now you see free shipping, disable both and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable both option. Now enable again and then click on save changes again. Now save changes done. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see our subtotal is 270 is above than 201. Now you see free shipping remove, weight based shipping above 200. Now we are going to decrease value and then click on update cart again. Now you see cart updated and then you see subtotal $30. Again you see shipping free shipping. So in this way you can apply weight based shipping over certain amount in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.